In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment to a task in Zoho Project. Adding attachments to your tasks is a great way to keep all your important files, screenshots, and documents in one place, right where the work is happening. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step, from opening your tasks list to confirming that your file has been successfully attached. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Project workspace and you're on the correct project. Once you're in, look for the main navigation area, usually at the top or on the side of the screen. From here, go to the section labeled Tasks. This is where all of your project's tasks are listed. Clicking on Tasks will open a view showing the tasks for that project, often organized by task lists, status, or custom views set up by your team. Next, from the tasks list, select the specific task you want to attach a file to. You can do this by clicking on the task name itself. This will open the task details panel or page depending on your layout. Take a moment here to make sure you've opened the correct task, especially if you have several with similar names. Attaching files to the right task will help your teammates find exactly what they need later. Within the task details, look for the attachment area. This is usually represented by a paperclip icon or a label like Attachments near the top or in one of the tabs. Click on this attachment option. Doing that will open up an attachment section or a small window where you can manage files linked to this task. Now, in that attachment section, click on the highlighted button or link that allows you to add a new file. This might say something like Add Attachment, Upload File, or simply show an upload icon. When you click it, Zoho Project will prompt you to choose where your file is coming from. Typically, you can upload from your computer or, depending on your setup, from connected cloud storage. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your file. Browse to the correct folder on your device. Choose the file you want to upload and confirm. Wait for the upload to complete, and you should see the file listed under the attachments for